I'm sorry I can't come to work today. I'm currently trapped under a cat. Help. I love the way that he's hurrying us even though he was the last to arrive. And can we properly pose for a thumbnail, because I couldn't get one for yesterday, so I've had to take another one, so...
Sorry.
That's alright. Oh, Dad!
Come on.
Smile at the camera! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! We haven't prepared well at all. The calendars are all over there.
Oh, right.
Mum has to rush out to your next appointment.
Yeah.
You welcomed a new Anna Shanklin.
I
this morning.
did, which is really exciting. I had to do stuff.
Okay. So
Which
for
we
number
did.
4. 4?
Come
Right.
Okay. You're gonna have 2 gins today. You realise that?
Well, maybe. Ooh. Height of Arrows, Holyrood Distillery.
So Scottish. Oh, Elena had not heard of Kairos, the Finnish gin that you got from yesterday, so she is interested in your review because she does like a gin and tonic every now and again.
All right.
Yeah.
I will tell you tomorrow because we left it down here and I was out last night.
Yeah. And where's number 4?
The dirty
No,
old
no,
stop.
no. She went to party last
I
night.
did.
She's got a more active social life than Dad and I put together. We are limpets that won't get off our rocks. Oh, orange! I'm so excited. Orange hot chocolate. Yay.
Are you a happy bunny?
I am. I'm going to. Oh, they have things. Oh no, it's, you know, it's just a brief description of what the actual hot chocolate is. I thought it was going to be like exciting poems or something, but no. Now you can escape.
I will leave you and
We will sleuth.
Dad and I will sleuth.
So let's read the story
Oh
page.
yes. I'm glad you remember what we're meant to be doing. Oh, the
Yeah,
dog's
Dad.
outside. Have you read the prologue yet?
No.
Me either. Okay. No. I don't get to read it.
Fine, it's mine.
PTO. Oh, it's an office.
yippee yay yay.
Slight reference. Oh, there's the phone on the wall.
Right, so
Let me read the story and find out what I'm
we'll
supposed
make
to
the
be doing.
dial.
Okay.
I need, perfect. Chopstick hanging around is useful.
Oh, look. So the arrow there,
Yeah.
that also spells chef.
Oh yeah.
So I think we have to do this one.
All right.
So I think we've got it right, but we've got the wrong number. Okay.
Right.
Did we get it right? Let's just double check on the
Yeah.
hexagon myself. Yay!
So that's number 5, yeah?
That took a little time, but we got there. Did you see that it says yippee yay yay on the thing? Yippee ki yay.
Yippee-ki-yay.
That's a Christmas movie. I'll bleep it.
Who made that movie?
Die Hard.
Well, how would I know?
Yippee-ki-yay! It's a Christmas movie, although apparently Bruce Willis insists that it's not. Isn't it one of the first instances of Alan Rickman becoming super famous? Hans Gruber.
Well, if Alan Rickman's in it, I would have watched it.
You have. Die Hard. You've seen Die Hard.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
Cool. Alright, anyway.
I'm off.
Yes.
Cheerio.
I'm going to go and make my hot chocolate and then I'll be back.
I'm going to go and paint.
Yes. But yes, I'm going to go make my hot chocolate because I'm excited about that one. Then I am going to come back down here.
Peeing it down.
Yes, it is. That's why the dog wanted in. She's like, no, it's wet out there.
Right. I've got Mum's gin, okay?
Okay.
You've got the dog.
I have got the dog. I'll bring it back up in a second though. She does not want to come and say hi. You realise I'm going to pick you up to take you back to the house so you don't get so damp. She doesn't care. But she's spreading ginger fluff everywhere. I can't. Dad's seen Die Hard. He knows. He'll watch it and he'll be like, oh yes, of course. I mean, who hasn't seen Die Hard? Anyway, yes, and it is a Christmas movie. Hot chocolate. Take dog back. Come back down here. Finish editing Vlogmas for yesterday. There's only a little bit to do. And start working on pencil case. and cutlery pouch. That is the plan. We can do this. The things I do for hot chocolate, I don't know if you can hear it, but it is literally pouring it down. I am covered and the dog needed to be returned, but I know hot chocolate. It actually smelled way more orangey when it was in chocolate form than it does now. That's good. Again, it's a milky hot chocolate rather than a dark hot chocolate, and I wish they would do it as a dark hot chocolate, but oh, it's good. It's very good. Right, I'm gonna drink the rest of this, get today's Vlogmas edited, and then do all those other things that I said I was gonna try and do. Haha, wish me luck. I can do this, it'll be fine.
2 hours later.
A very quick little catch up with you guys. I have finished my pouches, my cutlery pouch and my pencil case. I really love how these have both turned out. I love the little chocolate frog pull. This is from Ali's Stitchy Fingers. She sent me a couple of these and I think it just works perfectly because my cutlery is rainbow and then the inside of my pouch is a waterproof oilcloth lining, and I absolutely love how this has turned out. So now this can live in my bag full time. My battery's dying, 2 secs. It's better because yes, I had taken this out in my bag because it's meant to live in my bag every day. That's the purpose of this. But the first time I used it, I did obviously wipe it clean, but then I had a velvet pouch for it. That's how it came. And I just really didn't want to put something that had food remnants on it in a velvet pouch. I didn't think that was sanitary at all. So I took it home and put the cutlery in a drawer and I've never got it back out again. So very pleased with this. And then this little one is so cute, and it's kind of, this is its big brother because I only use really 4 pens, a pencil and rubber and ruler in my everyday journaling. I do use much more than that when I'm doing kind of more setup type things, but for the everyday kind of stuff I don't need to carry all of this around me. So I wanted to make myself a teeny tiny little pencil case, and it's so cute and it fits everything in, and it's going to go with the book tote once that has been finished. I filmed the process of making both of these because they are slightly different from each other. This one has a flat bottom, this one the lining doesn't actually have a center bottom seam because, and that was another thing I was worried about, was food kind of gathering in the stitching line. So the inside of this is smooth. So I am going to be putting out a tutorial for both of these on Tuesday morning, possibly afternoon, depending on how long editing takes, but you should be seeing the tutorial for these tomorrow. And these can be adapted for like anything, so I think they're great little presents because you don't need a lot of fabric. You do need a zip obviously, and zip by the yard I actually really like, and I get mine from So Hot. That's where this one's come from. I've had a couple of different ones from them. As I say, this rainbow one with the little chocolate frog rainbow pull was from Ali's Stitchy Fingers. It was a gift, so thank you very much. You can do this with minimal fabric, a little bit of interfacing in maybe an hour. Minimal measurements, really you just need to kind of like wing it and measure what you want to put in the pouch and go from there. So tutorial will be coming out tomorrow. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 4:39 p.m.
Ooh, Vlogmas is coming out in 21 minutes for you guys. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start working on the book tote to go with this because I've got everything cut out for it. I just need to do a this is what we're working with, and then I just need to start sewing it together. I can't put the book tote video out until the website goes live, and the website is having its domain name transferred over from somebody else and it says it's still in progress. So as soon as that goes live I can then put the blog post out to go with the book tote to go with the video. In my head this is a good idea, but I do need to sew the book tote up and I've cut it out so it just needs sewing. So I think that will be the next thing that I do this afternoon and this evening, because it would be nice to get those things finished and then I can work on my bag in a day, because I think that is scheduled to be Thursday's video, if not Saturday's video, depending on the website and the book tote. So let's get that done.
3 hours later.
It is much later on in the day, but I have my new book tote and I love it. I'm really pleased that I put the orange on. I wasn't going to, but I do think it's a really good look for this. I forgot how stiff these are when you first start as well. My other one has held up really, really well, given how frequently I use it and how battered it has been. This is also probably a slightly stiffer fabric to start with as well, but this is holding up already like really, really nicely. I am absolutely in no way going to try and put the top stitching down these parts though, because it is just far too bulky in those areas because of the way that I've constructed it, because of the types of fabrics that I had available. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I'm really pleased with it. I think it looks really beautiful, and obviously it matches the pencil case that I finished today. When I get the Power Trip bag done, that's going to go in here as well, so I'm not going to use this one until I have made the Power Trip bag, because the bottom of the other one has just got this layer of things on it and I don't want that to happen to this one. So yes, very pleased with that. Very pleased with that indeed. Yay. And I filmed the sew along for it. I have got the pattern written up. I just need the website domain name to be attached to the website that I've built on Squarespace, and as I say, that's kind of just pending at the moment. So as soon as that happens, I will launch it with the blog post and the video for making your very own one of these. But I absolutely love how this one has turned out. This fabric is gorgeous. Kind of wishing I'd bought slightly more of it, but I do think I've got enough left, as I say, to make the Power Trip bag and possibly one other item. We shall see. But anyway, it is, Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 9:12 p.m.
Thank you. 9:12, so it's time for bed, because, well, no, time for my bedroom and editing, because I have lots and lots of editing to do this evening. So I hope you've enjoyed Vlogmas Day 4, and I will see you all tomorrow with Mum and Dad for more calendars and more sewing. I think I might even attempt, I was going to say bag in a day, but no, I'm going to do my makeup roll tomorrow, because I also need to do a paintbrush roll for Dad's birthday present, and that is on Sunday. So that is the plan. I will see you all then. Bye.